Under the umbrella of the Kuwait National AIDS Control Committee of the Ministry of Health, the Executive Committee of Reproductive Health and AIDS of the Medical Students Association at Gulf University of Science and Technology, or GUST, organised a scientific open day for students and the general public to support society goals through increasing awareness of the dangerous and available treatments of AIDS and reducing stigma through providing more advice and deeper knowledge. Here is more on the campaign in this report by Salim Al-Kendari.
The Medical Student Association at GUST University held AIDS awareness campaign to provide more information and reduce stigma among students in compliance with World AIDS Day.
Basically, this event is an initiative from the International Federation of Medical Students Association. They are the ones who started up this committee. And throughout the world, for many years now, AIDS awareness campaigns have been going on. So we started it here in Kuwait in order to prevent epidemics that have reached or have already reached the other countries such as USA. If we start early and if we educate the right population, which is teenagers and people our age and the youth, we can start by already keeping it at the lowest possible way and reducing it to zero. When we achieve the 3 zeros, we will hopefully have no other cases, and we can from then build in to go on a more international level.
Today we are here in GUST to hold a campaign. It's about HIV and AIDS awareness. This campaign mainly focuses on raising awareness about HIV and AIDS and to reach 3 zeros, which are 0 new cases infected with AIDS, 0 stigma and discrimination, 0 deaths related to AIDS. We are here and we have like 3 booths for informative about what is AIDS and how is it transmitted and what are the signs and symptoms of AIDS. And we have an interactive booth that is about students here in GUST can write a supportive letter for those living with AIDS.
Today our event is the Standing Committee for Reproductive Health and AIDS in the Medical Student Association is arranging an activity with the AIDS office, and this is for education and giving information for the youth, either in the Faculty of Medicine or in the GUST, which is the Gulf University for Sciences and Technology. And this is for education of HIV and its prevention, and this is one of the Millennium Development Goals, and it is the goal number 6, and this is to prevent infection with HIV, AIDS, and also to protect the community from the infection.
Kuwait voluntarily donates annually $500,000 to the United Nations Global Funds, part of solidarity and support to the international community's efforts to fight infectious disease, among them HIV, AIDS, tuberculosis, and malaria. Kuwait also participates actively with the various international organizations, agencies and programs concerning HIV and AIDS. Kuwait National AIDS Control Committee is organizing this AIDS awareness campaign at GUST University to enlighten the public and especially students about AIDS and how to prevent it. From GUST University, this is Salim Al-Kendari reporting for the English News.